Hello everyone. Welcome to the second devlog, which is 10 times more lazy than the other one. Lazily done, should I say. I'm not gonna be editing this because I'm way too fucking lazy for that. And, yeah, okay, cool. So, today, this time, I have implemented an audio engine, first of all. Obviously, you can see this. And second of all, I've added the holograms, 3D holograms. That makes no sense at all, but you'll get it. It's called billboards as well, if you don't get it, in graphics design, or graphics programming at least. So, for the, I should actually have a bigger resolution. Just 2 seconds. There. Change it to borderless. Should be the entire screen. And here we go. So for the audio example, audio showcase, is this. So there's gonna be a sound in the middle, like you heard that. It's gonna be a bruh sound effect number 2. So if I press E, it should be on your left ear if this is recording in stereo, and it should be on your right now. Now it should be in your what's it called, in front, and then it should be behind. But you can't really hear that because I'm not added the HRTF yet. I am planning on adding it, and I will be adding it at some time later in the future. But for now, uh, it's not added. So that was the first thing. And let's try to dial the billboard. So billboard render component. I think that's what it's called. Is it? Billboard render component. Oh, it was with a capital B. All right. So in my resources, I have a model called billboard. So I'll load that because what's it called? Oh, wait, that's not, wait, oopsie, should be bricks. Really good naming there, an organization. But, as you can see, it stays, looking at it, it's like, it keeps, it is looking at the camera no matter which direction the camera is looking in. So that's a point of a billboard. And if you don't get like what this is useful for, it's useful for example, in Minecraft where you have the usernames up top. So if I add text, then I'll be able to create text above people and stuff, or like 3D text. This is mainly that's what is going to be mainly used for. I can also make this so that it scales with it doesn't scale with distance, so that for example, the text that you're creating stays the same size wherever you're going. This can be used, for example, if you're playing a team-based game and your teammate is far away and it's off screen, but your team's name tag, a teammate's name tag will be still like on the far left corner or something. And then we'll be like, oh yeah, that's where he is. Oh, hello. And then when you look at him, the name will be the same. That's basically a minimum scale that a text can have. But yeah, it can be used in many applications and it's really useful. But right now it's just in a very small example prototype kind of sort of state. Same thing with the audio engine that I've added. The audio engine, like I showed, it's not that complex, and I've not added a listener component. I've just added a listener class that's not even is gonna be used for anything. Is gonna get deleted. I've just added this listener data, which basically says the position of the position of the listener to the camera's position. And yeah, so I had a really big problem, and that got me stuck for like an entire day. That was basically I was doing all the initialization of this in the initialize rather than the constructor, which did make some kind of error. I don't know why, but I'm pretty sure it's just because um, the audio engine wasn't initialized. I'm pretty sure actually it wasn't initialized before that initialized method of the what's it called, the source was happening. I'm pretty sure that is it, but I'm like too lazy to think about it. And it works, so I couldn't really care less. But yeah, that was pretty much it this week. I'm pretty sure I'm off schedule, but we had like a couple of stuff in school that's pretty much like it's more important than the videos. So yeah, but that was it. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.